Hello everyone, I'm Konak from Group 13. The name of our project is the Medical Terms Translation Tool. The problem statement before us was to help the on-site doctors in Ukraine to convert from English to the Ukrainian language so that they can assist the patients in Ukraine. As the patients did not understand English language, so the doctors can translate from English to Ukraine and help them. In the earlier sprints, we have worked on the designing and development of a UI. We have added the main features, that is, the translation from English to the Ukrainian language. Before, we had used the Google Translate API to translate, then we created a database for the translation. Also, we added features such as history to show the words that we have used for translation. So, this was our sprint 6 and final sprint. This was our most productive sprint so far, and the goal of this sprint was to do the translation in such a way that if the translation of the word is not available in the database, then the Google Translate API will tell the translation. Also, we worked on phonetic transcription, which is the visual representation of speech sounds by means of symbols. And also, we added the feature of text to speech so that the translation can be heard out loud. So, I will now show you what we did. So as you can see, we have changed the whole UI, which was a requirement from the customer to make it more appealing. We have also changed the UI for the about page, which shows the information of the company as well as the team. We have changed the UI for the help page, which shows the detailed information of the website of its working. Now this is a translation page for the users, so they can send a query to the admin if some translation is not available or is not up to the mark. We have also added the URLs for the Greybox company. So as this was a final sprint, we also deployed this website, so it is not only on a GitHub. Now I will show you the working of this. So as you can see, it has now given us the Ukrainian translation. It has given the translation source and also the transcription of how it is to be pronounced. After clicking on this icon symbol of speaker, it will tell the transcription out loud. So this is the text to speech feature. So as you have seen now, this has taken from the Google Translate API. Now, if I take a word that is a medicine and such that the Google Translate API can't give us the localized version of this. So that is why we have created that database. So now it has given us the translation, and the translation source, as you can see, is from the Wikipedia. If I copy this and open this, it will give me the Wikipedia page for that medicine. After clicking on the history feature, you can see that oxygen was the first word that I searched and loperamide is the second word that I searched. We have used the Google Cloud, which is a cloud computing platform by Google, to build, test, and deploy this website. Now I will show you our burn down chart. This is our Taiga board. As you can see, as I told you, this was the most productive sprint as we completed all the tasks that that we decided on. If I open one user story, this is for the phonetic spelling, which is give which gives us a translation so that we can accurately pronounce a term when communicating. So this the feature here, and this is a burn down chart which is steering to zero as we have completed all the tasks. Thank you.